guys, it's your girl Saba and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, summer is finally here, thank God. So I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite seasonal recipes. I'm going to show you how to make baked butter garlic shrimp scampi, and if you're looking for a weeknight dinner that's under 25 minutes, this is about to be your jam. So without further ado, let's jump right in. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will walk you step by step through this process so you know what you're doing. Just in case you're kitchen challenged, aka you struggle real bad in the kitchen, don't worry, your girl's got you. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and then you want to grab the first star of the show, which is obviously our shrimp. I've already washed and dried my shrimp, so make sure you do the same before you start working and prepping your shrimp. I'm going to marinate this, so we're going to add some black pepper, sea salt, and of course, garlic. The shrimp is looking really good. I'm done prepping it, so now I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Usually I like to marinate my shrimp between 30 minutes to an hour if I have time. I don't have time today, so that's fine. I'm gonna marinate this while we're working on the pasta. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I'll be right back. Alright guys, it's time to work on the pasta, but of course we're not going to be using a regular pasta because this is a low-carb, keto-friendly channel over here. So I'm going to be using Palmini's Linguine Pasta. Y'all, I am super excited because I've already tried their Palmini rice for my copycat version of Chipotle cilantro lime rice recipe. I'll link that video up above and in the description box below so you can check that out after this video. And I'm obsessed with this brand. If this linguine is as good as the rice, this is going to be amazing. They're telling me that I should drain it just like I did for the rice, and then I should boil it for a couple of minutes if I want a softer texture. I am going to boil it. I already have my water boiling on the stove, so let me rinse this out and then let this do its thing for about, it says 10 to 15 minutes. I will try it for 10, and then, well, let's do a time check. I'll do stamps along the way and figure out what texture I like. Here's Palmini's Linguine Pasta. Let me see what it's like. Not bad. Yeah, I like this. I don't really get that like lemony taste like I did with the rice yet, but it has a very like pleasant taste to it. And I actually boiled this for 15 minutes instead of the recommended 5 to 10 minutes. And yeah, there's a slight bite to it, like a little bit of a crunch. Not a bad thing. Yeah, I probably will in the future boil it for like 15, maybe even closer to 20 minutes, but I like it and I think it's gonna pair really well with the shrimp scampi. Now I'm gonna actually put this in the microwave because we're gonna just set this aside, and now we can work on the shrimp. I've already taken the shrimp out of the refrigerator and it's now gonna be time to bake this. So let me grab a dish real quick. So here's my oven safe 8x8 dish, and we're just gonna put the shrimp in here. And what I'm gonna do is spray it down with my ghee oil spray by 4th & Heart. If you've been watching for a while, you know I love this. It's like, woo! It's like ham cooking spray, but better. And I just love all things ghee, so having a ghee oil spray is my jam. And now I'm just going to put all of the shrimp, the marinated shrimp, into the dish. I placed the shrimp inside the dish, all even layered, so it's good and ready to go. But it's not a shrimp scampi recipe without a nice light coating of some type of oil, and instead of oil I am going to be using ghee, which y'all know if you've been watching for a while and you're a subscriber that I love ghee. It's clarified butter, it's super rich, it has a nice buttery taste but nice and clean and healthy for you. Oh, and if you haven't already subscribed, click that red subscription button below. Join the tribe, become a saver, and don't forget to like this video. So this is the ghee that I'm using. It's by Fourth and Heart. Absolutely obsessed with this. The same company that makes that ghee oil spray. But if you like garlicky flavors like I do, you can take it up a notch and you can use Fourth and Heart's garlic version of their ghee, which I love. I love, love, love. So that's what I'm actually using. If you don't have the garlic version of the ghee, go ahead and use regular ghee. So I have melted a couple of tablespoons of ghee. I put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, did the trick, and I'm just gonna pour the ghee into the dish like that. So we're basically almost like 3/4 of the way done now. So this is gonna go, oh, I forgot one other thing. Hold on, we need grated Parmesan cheese. Let me grab that real quick. So I can't believe I forgot the Parmesan cheese. That's also really important. It's gonna add like this really nice light flavor to it as well. It's not gonna be super cheesy, but it's just a nice way to add some dimension to the texture. So I'm gonna add a little here, maybe a little more, because I love cheese, y'all. You know I love some good cheese. So I'm good here. Let me get a spoon. And I'm just gonna mix all of that together. The ghee, the shrimp, the Parmesan cheese. Y'all, I can tell already this shrimp scampi is gonna be everything. So excited. This is like the perfect meal. Shrimp scampi is super light. It gives you that pasta fix that you love, but without that heavy sauce, because let's be real, in the summertime, who wants to like eat really super heavy foods and feel really like just bulky and bloated? Nobody has time for that when it's a hot girl summer. So I love being able to have a pasta dish, but still have a nice light sauce that goes with the pasta and the shrimp. So I'm done mixing all of this together. I'm gonna put this in the oven and bake it for a couple of minutes, and then I'll be right back. All right, savorers. Woo! Woo! That could have been a disaster. I just took this out of the oven and it smells divine, y'all. I am ready to eat. I'm almost done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plate the linguine pasta. I'm going to add some red pepper flakes, you know, to give it a little spiciness also and give some like pop of color, because I love to see a colorful plate. And I'm actually gonna zest a lemon and again add some of that zesty flavor into the recipe. And I'm thinking some parsley. If you have fresh parsley, cut some up. I don't have any on hand, I just have dried parsley, so that's what I'm gonna use, some dried parsley flakes. So yeah, let's plate this recipe. It's time to eat, y'all. This almost looks too good to eat, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat it anyway. But I am so excited. Like, the shrimp turned out perfectly. So I have some of the linguine pasta. This is so bomb. Oh my gosh. The lemony taste from that lemon zest paired with a little bit of the taste that I get from the linguine pasta, and then all the flavors, y'all, this is a move right here. This is the perfect pasta dish for summer. Oh my gosh. And so easy. In under 25 minutes. Y'all, this right here is my jam. I'm loving that the Palmini pasta really like holds on to the flavor. I actually really like the texture. Yeah, this is about to be a whole move for me. Like, I am here for Palmini. I love this. Y'all, I'm sorry to eat in front of you, but it's that good. Go to savoringwithsaba.com for the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions. I will put the link to my recipe post in the description box below. If you're new to the channel and have not subscribed, click that red subscription button below and become a savorer. And if you like what you saw, if you want more shrimp recipes, pasta recipes, show me some love by dropping a comment below, liking this video, and don't forget to share this with others. You know, people are looking for recipes. This is a really quick, easy weeknight recipe that is sure to be a fan favorite for your family and friends. Y'all, it's been real. Thanks so much for watching. As always, stay safe and happy savoring.